My name is Thomas. I am 20 years old. I'm from Cardiff. In Tuesdays I go to the gym with Dan.
So we're going to start with the rowing machine. Thomas and I really enjoy our days out. We come to the gym and we've got interest in that field, so I help Thomas doing things like weights and a bit of running and try and give him a bit of advice.
We drink the strongest out of you and I are.
I think I am.
I didn't realise there was a shortage of men in this field. I've been here for 12 years. I was outnumbered when I first started, but I think there's a lot of males up there who can bring a lot to this job.
On Thursdays, I go rock climbing with Ricky.
Well done, good climbing.
In my role, I support individuals with a range of disabilities, being physical and mental, to access outside opportunities and activities. It's important for Thomas to have males, obviously, for certain aspects of changing and dignity and upholding himself.
He really needs male role models, and I think to have this on a regular basis for Thomas is very good for him. I've actually seen a remarkable change in Thomas since he's been working with his care workers. His motivation has improved. He's become a lot more enthusiastic, a lot more confident. Boosting his morale has had a huge impact on him.
I think it's really important having a male support worker. I look up to them like older brother.